Hi, today we're previewing the newest home built at Baseline Mountain Ranch on 12th Avenue and Baseline Road. This is a Courtland home, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, 2-car garage. We're walking inside. The starting price for this home is $199,490. $199,490. So as we walk inside, this is what we call the flex space. So it can be a 4th bedroom on this home. On this case, it was built as a flex space. As we walk in, we have the kitchen. Here to the right, that's the kitchen. And here is the great room. There's a pony wall between the formal dining and the family room on the back. Here's the pantry. There's a walk-in pantry. As we walk here, to the left, there's another closet. The linen closet. And then we have to the right here, it's the second bath. It's a full bath. And here next to the bathroom there is the second bedroom. The window. And the closet is here behind the door. Here's the closet. As we walk back outside, to my right will be the 3rd bedroom. Similar to the second one. So there's the window, the closet. So that's the 3rd bedroom. And here we are walking towards the laundry. Is the inside laundry. And this door leads to the garage. It's a 2-car garage. And there's the water heater. And let's walk back inside. Now we're going back to the great room. This house has lots of windows. So there's a window on the back, the door to the patio. There's a window here by the dining room, and there's another window over the kitchen, over the sink. I'm going to walk here towards the back. And as I turn, you can see that's the door to the master bedroom, and that's the kitchen, and that's the hall to the front door. And here's the master bedroom. There you go. That's the window. And as I turn, there's the door to the bathroom, and here's the closet. It's a walk-in closet. Pretty spacious. And let's take a look at the bathroom. This is the master bathroom. 2 sinks, vanity, big mirror. And over here, this home was built with 1 big shower. So instead of tub and shower, there's a one big shower. That's an option. When you build your home, you can pick either a big shower or a tub and shower. And here is a linen closet inside the bathroom. Now the last thing to see is the backyard. We're going to walk back towards the great room. And exit the home to the backyard. There's a patio. It's a covered patio. There's a patio. Here, this home has a very nice side yard. Lots of space on the side. And walking towards the back here. I'll turn around to see the house from the back. So it's a nice backyard, pretty spacious. And that's the house from the back. So my name again is Jose Diaz, and thank you for watching. This home is located at Baseline Mountain Ranch on 12th Avenue and Baseline Road. My phone number is 623-418-5700. 623-418-5700. Thank you. See you. Bye.